Hey, I'm Ashley and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're already a subscriber, welcome back. So happy to have you. Today is super exciting because my brand new bag came in the mail and we're gonna do an unboxing together. I was gonna tell you what it is, but I think I'm gonna surprise you at the end. And I'm gonna do the unboxing and then I'm gonna come back after I wear it a couple of times and let you know how I really feel about it. But I am so pumped. I've been waiting for this for a long time, kind of deciding which one I wanted to get. I feel like this bag is kind of a love it or hate it. I obviously love it, but you guys can let me know what you think. Doesn't really matter. It's my bag, but maybe you love it, maybe you hate it, and that's okay. Either way. Should we get to the unboxing though? Let's do it. It's beautiful. Take the ribbon off. Tissue paper. Here we go. Moment of truth, y'all. Oh, can't forget. Not the moment of truth quite yet. Duster bag. Okay. Duster bag. Now, moment of truth. Here she is. So it's a Saint Laurent leather LouLou puffer bag in the size small. I got the matte black hardware because I have a lot of black and neutral clothing. I like things that look a little bit more understated, and I'm so excited. I just think it's so beautiful. I wasn't sure what I was going to think. I've loved all the photos I've seen online, but you know, things can change in person. And so it just has a flap that you open up. You have the logo in there. It has this matte black chain. And then a leather shoulder strap that I'm sure with a few times of wear it will kind of form to my shoulder. Leather does that. I really took my time. I had wanted a new bag summer of last year, but I don't know, it's kind of nice if you don't pull the trigger right away. It's a big decision to make when you're spending that much money, and definitely think about it and think about the pros and cons. I personally watch a lot of bag videos and try to see what other people think of theirs, just so that I know what the wear's like and what I can fit in there, and if it's something that's practical for me. I think this is fantastic. I was kind of thinking it was maybe a little seasonal, and it probably is. It's more so kind of like a fall winter bag, but I don't know. Spent the money on it, so I'll probably wear it all through summer. I think the matte black kind of helps too. It's just chic in my opinion. Hey guys, I'm back and I've had my bag for a few days, so I will let you know what I like and what I dislike about it so far. And just to recap, we have the Saint Laurent. I've never taken French, so I'm butchering that a little bit, but I'm trying. But what we have here is the LouLou quilted puffer bag, and it is a size small, black leather with a black matte hardware. Obsessed with that. Love that. Okay, so I've been wearing the bag like this, mostly over the shoulder. Really like that. But you can also wear it as a crossbody bag, like that. And so, for instance, when I went to the grocery store, my hands were full. I threw it on like this. But I like it worn. Oh my gosh, this is just crazy. I like it worn as a shoulder bag the most. Let's get into the likes and dislikes. So the cons that I've noticed so far, and they're not a big deal, but I'll notice that this flap is open, and I honestly think you can see that the magnet is strong. There's a little, what would you call that? it just hangs over right there to clasp it, and I don't know that I've necessarily been getting that in the hole. So the magnet is super strong. Also, sometimes it's difficult, like if I have this on my shoulder and I'm trying to get into the bag, just these things make it a little bit difficult to pull it open, get the flap open, but that's also not a big deal. They're not major cons. What I love about this bag is obviously the design. I spent a lot of time thinking about what I wanted, and this also comes, and it comes in a few colors, but it comes with gold hardware and silver hardware and black. They do it in like a beautiful nude color. I've seen red, I've seen olive, so there's lots of different colors. I wanted something that was practical. I don't have, I would say, a luxury bag that is black leather and it's something that goes with everything. I wanted it to feel a little understated. I love this, the leather feels very quality, and I just love the matte black. It's so chic, it's so dope. The only issue with that, and I haven't had this problem, but I've heard that over time, the matte can kind of wear off where the chain rubs in a lot of matte hardware bags, which isn't a big deal. I'm just now trying to be extra careful about that. And I'm going to order one of those little hangers on Amazon to store it. Right now I just have it sitting in my closet, and I might get a big pillow for it too, just so to help it keep its shape. I love, for it being a small bag, and I have like some micro bags, but you can fit so much in here. There's a pocket, a zippered pocket, which is super nice. Why? You can fit so much stuff in here though. I have a bajillion things. I'm filming with my phone, but you could get a phone, you can get a wallet, basically my whole makeup bag. I have a clip in here, pen, anything that you need for a night out or day out. I think it's plenty of space and it doesn't feel overwhelmingly large. I honestly don't think I would need a medium bag unless I maybe was a mother and wanted some extra space to put things in there for my child or something, but this is just for my pleasure and carrying around things that I need, and this is definitely, the space in here is definitely sufficient. So I'm glad that I got this size. What else do I love about you? Just everything. It's a beautiful bag. I do think, like I said before, it might be a hate it or a love it type of bag, just because it's not, I mean, it's like the puffer thing, so you kind of have to be into that, but I think it's really beautifully made, and I think it will definitely stand the test of time. I watched a lot of bag reviews before I purchased this, and a lot of people really enjoyed their YSL bags, so I'm really happy to be adding this one to my closet, and I think it's going to go with so many outfits. So I ordered my bag off of their actual website, and just so you know, it said shipping 1 to 3 days, but I think with everything going on in the US, it was more like a week. But then one day I just got a notification that my bag was coming, and it came the day after that notification, so I didn't even have 3 days to wait once I found out that it shipped. I do like ordering from websites like Net-a-Porter and Farfetch because sometimes you can get a really good deal, but this one I couldn't find on any of those websites, so I really just pulled the trigger because this was the exact style and size and hardware that I wanted, and I know that it's a piece that I will be keeping in my closet forever, so I thought it was worth just the extra amount of money that I had to spend on it, which wasn't crazy. A little bit of a shorter video, but I hope you guys still enjoyed it. If you're getting a new handbag, or you have one on your wish list, or you just have something to say about this one, whether you love it or you hate it, I'd love to hear your feedback below. And if you want to stick around for some more videos, subscribe and hit that little bell on the bottom. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your week, and I will see you in the next video.